Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Missy and welcome to Bargain Beauty Deals. If you're part of the family, thank you for coming back. Now, today we are going to unbox our Glow Addict Beauty Bag. Glow Addict Beauty Bag, if you are not familiar, has two subscriptions, the bag and the box. I do subscribe to the box and it's $13.99 a month, but you do pay shipping. I think in total mine is $16.32 for shipping, so still a great deal, and you get 3 to 5 full-size sample size beauty samples, and then the box is $18.99 plus shipping, and you get 6 to 7 full-size makeup and beauty products. So this one is a lot of different kinds of stuff. You get tools, you get makeup, you get indie brand, you get well-known brand. I really, this is actually probably my favorite subscription. I am so sorry, my camera just like fell. So I'm so sorry about that. But this is actually become my one of my favorite subscriptions. I really enjoy it. I really don't think I've gotten I think every month I've gotten a palette, and it's a lot of indie brands, which I love. Ruby May Cosmetics, so I've gotten a lot of indie brands. Now, it does come in a bag like this. In the past, it has said Glow Addict beauty box on it, but this one does not, and it has little hearts. I love these bags that it comes in. I think they're awesome. So the only thing I will say about this is it does not come with a flyer saying what it is and how much it costs. So that's the only thing I wish they would change. Even if it just said what it was, I would really appreciate that. So the first thing we get is the Pencil Me Natural Formula Eye Accent Pencil in Onyx. Mr. Eyeliner for all. Mr. Eyeliner was created to encourage self-expression for all individuals. This is an eyeliner created for a foundation. So the proceeds go to that, which I think is awesome. And I did see that in the box last month, I believe. It could have been this month, I don't know, but one of them. Next, we have the Lashy box. These are tweezers with a little thing. I'm not going to open them because I just bought a pair of Revlon Isaac Mizrahi ones, like identical to this, and I paid like $12 for them. So I'm not going to open these. I'll put these in a future giveaway. Let's see what next we have. This is Cass Cosmetics. Let's open it up. We did get Cass Cosmetics before, and I got a eyeshadow, and it was like this beautiful silver color, and it's super creamy. So this is a Luxe Lip Treatment, and it says Pinwheel is the shade. Oh, so it's a gloss. It's another gloss, but it was all sealed up, so we know we always complain about that. So we're on count number 2 of glosses for our boxes this month. 2 for 2-er. Hold on, baby. Okay, next we got Ruby May Ready Set Glow. Oh, it's a shimmer spray. And it says number 2. Jakey's flying. Ooh. Okay, now they did show the pink one, and I was like, what am I going to do with a hot pink shimmer spray? But, oh, guys, okay, it came out funky at first. Ooh. It doesn't really have a set. Can you see? Oh, look at that, guys. Can you see that? Look at. Ooh, I love that. Okay, I actually will use this. And I love that it comes in like a spray. It's not like an oil that I have to rub all over myself. But, oh, that is beautiful. I like this. I love this. And like I said, I really do like Ruby May Cosmetics. So, A+ on this Ruby May. A+. It is on my table, and it's also like a little bronzer. It kind of matches my highlight, I'm gonna be honest. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And it's drying down, and it's gorgeous when it dries down, so that's awesome. Okay, next we have oh, this was in the box. Everything in here is sealed, you guys. I have to like take apart everything, so we know we love that. So this is Assemble by Jackie Love. So last month in the box, you could have gotten 4 different variations of a Jackie Love eyeshadow palette. And I was like, oh, I want that so bad. So look at this. Oh, how beautiful are those colors. Oh, these colors are right up my alley. I will swatch them for everybody. Oh, they're soft. There was also a Brights one that I was really wanted. So this is Ballerina right here. This is Point. Ooh, look at that shimmer. What? Okay, this is just the number 4, which is the purple shade. It is a little chalky, but pigmented. For a purple, that's impressive. And this is Leo, which is just this maroon color. Oh, you guys, these are Jackson James. These are super pigmented. They're super beautiful. My boys, after I just told them to play quietly. Look at that huge thing. Oh, don't even get me started. I am so excited. I love this. I can't wait to play with this. This is right up my alley. I looked these up, and I believe they were like something like $20, $17.99 or $20 to $24.99, somewhere around there. And I was like, oh, for quad, I can't really pay that, but I don't have to because I got it in this box. So again, for $16.32, I got a quad eyeshadow palette, a lip gloss, an eyeliner, a body spray, and a tweezer set. I think that is totally worth it. I will probably put this in a giveaway, and I will definitely put this in a give. Actually, I know I'll put these two in a giveaway. But even just the eyeliner and the body, these two are worth it this is worth it. But to get these, I'm like, okay, I'm happy. My money's well spent. I love this month's. I think I like this month's better than last month's. Even though last month I got a bigger palette, I think everything combined in here, I just liked it better. So I'm excited, you guys. Let me know what you thought about this bag, the Glow Addict Beauty Bag. If you are interested in signing up, I will leave a link down below. It is not an affiliate link. It's not, I don't get points. It's nothing. It's just a link to their website. So if you're interested, have you signed up for this? I haven't heard anybody saying they're getting it, besides the few people I see that unbox it every month. So let me know if you have. I love you guys all so much, and I'll see you later. Bye!